Hello, my name is Akhil Paul and I am Executive Director of Sense International India. Today I am here to acknowledge and thank Ms. Narendra Kaurji, who is extending a huge helping hand to us by running a campaign to raise funds to provide ration support to deserving families of children with deaf blindness and multiple disabilities. This is a huge support to us and it is going to go a long way, Ms. Kaur. Thank you very much for helping us with your support. Let me share with you, friends, a little bit about deaf blindness. It is a unique disability. You know that almost 83% of our learning comes from what we see, and about 11% we gather from what we hear. So, altogether, about 95% of our learning comes from what we see and hear. So, imagine a situation where a child is not able to see or hear, or is able to see limited and hear very little. The avenue of learning is restricted. So, that much less the child with deaf blindness learn. And this is a very isolating disability because our world is made up of the components which require us to see and hear. So automatically there are people who are isolated, excluded, because they are not able to see or hear. What we do with children with multiple disabilities and deaf blindness is to work with their parents, teach them how to communicate with their children, because communication is one of the major needs. If you imagine life of a deaf-blind child who cannot communicate the way we communicate because he can't hear, and he can't communicate through sign language because he can't see. Now this is a major problem, and because of this limitation or dual sensory loss, the problem becomes much bigger because they depend on others to take them around, to tell what is happening around them. And deafblindness also excludes them from the basic human emotions of love and care. Most of the parents don't know how to deal with the situation, and these children go into a cocoon. See, for us, the world exists to the farthest point that we can see, or the faintest noise that we can hear. But for a deaf-blind child, their world is limited to their fingertips. Whatever they can touch, the world exists only till there. So me and my colleagues and our partners across 23 states in India, they open the doors of learning for children with deaf blindness and multiple disabilities. We work with Government of India through the Ministries of Education and Social Justice and Empowerment, mainly with Ministry of Education. We provide training to regular school teachers so that, as per the Right to Education Act, when children with multiple disabilities and deaf blindness reach to schools, our regular neighborhood schools, the teachers know how to deal with them, how to teach them, how to communicate with them. We started in 1997, and there was no other national program at that point of time. So over the years of last 24 years, we have reached out to about 80,000 deafblind people, but that is just a tip of the iceberg. There are more than 5 lakh people who are deafblind in our country. And small supports like of Ms. Kaur is going to help us reach out to many, many deafblind people and open the doors of learning and also make them contributing members of the society. So once again, I salute Ms. Narinder Kaurji for this human support to us, and I wish you all the best. Thank you very much for all the support. Bye.